Whether it be the oldest and largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, or one that originated as a meme, Dogecoin, cryptocurrencies have hit the market by storm this year. Before investing in any company or coin, you must know about it and its background. What about cryptocurrency? Do you know about it? Welcome back to another episode of Cryptology. Subscribe to the channel now so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. If you want to know how to invest in cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about cryptocurrency in 2022. With that being said, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes. Now let's get into it. Cryptocurrency is a method of payment for products and services that can be exchanged online. Many companies have produced their own currencies, which may be traded exclusively for the goods or services provided by the company. In order to access the goods or services, you have to convert true dollars for cryptocurrency. It eliminates the need for a middleman such as a bank, and it lets buyers and sellers conduct business directly with one another. Cryptocurrency mining. This is the process of obtaining a reward for confirming transaction on a blockchain. A transaction is encrypted when it is added to a block on that blockchain. Miners, they utilize their computational capacity to solve complicated mathematical problems in order to validate transactions in a blockchain block. The miner who solves the problem and verifies all the transactions in a block is rewarded for their efforts. So if we talk about crypto, there are some coins on which everyone wants to invest. Here are the names of those major coins to invest as they have a good market cap. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Uniswap. Of course, this list is not all inclusive. There are many others out there, and you will have to do your own research and homework. How to buy cryptocurrency? Well, certain cryptos like Bitcoin are available for buying with US dollars. The crypto market, like the stock market, is extremely volatile, which means that values will rise and fall in an unpredictable manner. Next, choose a cryptocurrency. Yes, there are multiple cryptos on the market right now, each with a distinct pricing point. However, it is not wise to grab the opportunity and invest in 5 different minor cryptos. To choose the best crypto coin, to put simply, you must do a lot of research. Next step is choosing the best cryptocurrency exchange. It's essentially the marketplace where you buy, sell, or hold your crypto assets. These crypto exchanges are specifically built to manage cryptos and their volatile nature. Similar to how banks and other financial institutions are designed to lend money, hold money, and give mortgages. Next step is your crypto wallet. Many people confuse crypto wallets with cryptocurrency storage, but in reality, they only allow you to access your cryptocurrency on the blockchain via a crypto address known as the key. Without the key, a crypto transaction cannot be completed. You may be wondering, is cryptocurrency legal? There's no doubt they are lawful in the United States. However, China has effectively prohibited their use, and whether they are legal ultimately depends on each individual country. So make sure you consider how to protect yourself from fraudsters that see crypto as a way to defraud investors. You might be wondering where to buy cryptocurrency. One downside of purchasing Bitcoins is that they're not available in all traditional financial outlets. Banks and financial brokerage businesses do not provide them, so you'll be limited to buying, holding, and selling cryptos on specific crypto exchanges. Some of the few popular ones are Binance.us, Coinbase, eToro, Gemini, Robinhood, SoFi, Active Investing, TradeStation, Webull. What are the benefits with crypto? So as everything in this world has pros and cons, here are some of the benefits to invest and trade in crypto. Starting with the pros: transactions that are faster and less expensive, dealings that are secure and more secret, financial independence for the unbanked, and international trade acceleration. The risks in cryptocurrency. Crypto, like anything else in life, comes with their own set of risks. Either you trade cryptos, invest in them, or simply hold them for the future, you must first examine and comprehend the risks. Volatility and a lack of regulation are 2 of the most discussed Bitcoin hazards. When the prices of most major cryptos, including Bitcoin, surged beyond 1,000% before dropping. However, as the crypto craze has subsided, price fluctuations have grown more predictable, mirroring the patterns of stocks and other financial assets. Another key concern in the industry is regulations. For crypto investors, both a lack of regulation and exposure to rules can pose risks. Knowing the world of cryptocurrencies will take time, so don't put too much pressure on yourself to become an expert on day one. It takes time, effort, and ongoing learning to figure out how to maximize the potential of your virtual currency. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about how to invest in cryptocurrency as a beginner. Would you like to give investing a try? To get involved, let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Cryptology and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases.